Hello students, I am Ashutosh Kumar Jha. Today I am going to explain nervous tissue for class 10. The tissue which helps in conduction of nerve impulses are called nervous tissue. That means to receive the stimuli from effector organ and to send the order of brain and spinal cord to the organs for their proper action. So those tissues which helps in conduction of nerve impulses are called nervous tissue. So we define the nervous tissue, the tissue which helps in conduction of nerve impulses are called nervous tissue. The unit of nervous tissue is neuron or nerve cell. Basically, the nervous tissue is made up of only neurons, but there are one other cell also which forms packaging around the nervous tissue, that means neurons, which are called neuroglia. Neuroglia cells are found in brain and the spinal cord, which forms packaging around the neurons. Some neuroglia are also present outside the nerve, outside the brain, in the form of ganglion. So we study the structure of a neuron. Here is the structure of a neuron. Before we study the structure of neuron, we have to study the types of neuron. There are three types of neuron: unipolar neuron, bipolar neuron, and multipolar neuron. This is the structure of a multipolar neuron. Unipolar neuron is that neuron where only one process arises from cell body, which is called cyton. From cyton, only one process, axon, arises. Next is bipolar neuron, in which two processes arise from cell body cyton, which are opposite to each other. That means at 180 degrees to each other. One long process is called axon and other short process is called dendron. And in multipolar neuron, one long process which is called axon and numerous short processes which are called dendrons. That means unipolar neuron has only one process, bipolar neuron has two processes, and multipolar neuron has many processes. Here is the figure of a multipolar neuron. See the figure of multipolar neuron. Here a cell-like structure, upper portion, which is called cell body or cyton. This cell body or cyton is hexagonal in shape. It has a central nucleus. Nucleus also contains nucleolus, chromatin network. The cytoplasm of cell body is called neuroplasm. There are some differences of cytoplasm of simple cell and cytoplasm of cell body or cyton. This cyton contains Nissal's granules and neurofibrils. Nissal's granules are mainly ribosomes, and neurofibrils are for the contraction and relaxation. Neurofibrils are present only in neuron, and Nissal's granules are also present in cell body of neuron. So besides Nissal's granules and neurofibrils, mitochondria and Golgi complexes are also found in cell body or cyton. From cell body, numerous short processes arise. These short processes are called dendrons. From each dendron, a number of branching processes arise. These branching are called dendrites. That means dendron arise from cell body and cyton, and dendron divides into fine branches called dendrites. Dendron, dendrites. Now one long process arises from cyton or cell body, which is called axon or nerve fiber. This axon is divided into two terminal branches. The cytoplasm of cell body or cyton is extended in axon also. This terminal branches of axon also divides into a number of fine branches, and these branches ultimately ends into a knob-like structure, which is called synaptic knob or synapse. So there are two coverings on the axon. First covering is of fatty material, which is called myelin sheath. First covering is fatty material, which is called myelin sheath. Above the myelin sheath, there is another covering, which is called neurilemma or Schwann cell. At some places of axon, both myelin sheath and neurilemma absent. These portions are called node of Ranvier. Here is the node of Ranvier. Node of Ranvier are those places on axon where both the myelin sheath and neurilemma absent. In some nerve fibers, both coverings are absent. The nerve fiber which do not have the covering are called non-medullated nerve fiber, and the fiber which contain both the covering are called medullated nerve fiber. That means on the basis of presence of covering, nerve fibers or axon is of two types: non-medullated, which do not have any covering, that means do not have myelin sheath, do not have neurilemma or Schwann cells, but the nerve fiber which have both the covering are called medullated nerve fiber. Now we study the function of nerve fiber, how it receives impulses from the effector organ, how it is transmitted to the spinal cord and brain, and how the order of brain and spinal cord reaches to the muscles. We study in detail the functioning of neuron. Now we study the functioning of a neuron. That means neuron receive impulses, stimuli from receptor organ, that means sense organ. Those organs which receive change in environment, that is in the form of stimuli, are called receptor organs. Receptor organs are the sense organs, just like eye, ear, nose, tongue, skin. These are our sense organs. That means receptors are the sense organ. Sense organ receive the stimuli from the environment. Next is this stimuli is transmitted to the brain or spinal cord, and then the order of brain or spinal cord is transmitted to the effector organ, where it works according to the order of brain or spinal cord. Now how the neuron receive the stimuli, how it transmits to the brain or spinal cord, and how the order of brain or spinal cord is transmitted to the effector organ. We study in detail on the basis of transmission of nerve impulses. Neurons are of three types. First is sensory neuron, those neurons which receive impulses from receptor organs, that means sense organs, are called sensory neurons. And those neurons which transmit the order of brain and or spinal cord to the effector organs, that is muscles, are called motor neurons. And those neurons which give the message of receptor neuron to the brain and the message of brain to the effector neurons are called relay neuron or mixed neuron. That means sensory neuron receive impulses from sense organ and transmit it to the brain or spinal cord. Motor neuron transmit the order of brain or spinal cord to the effector organs, that means muscles. And mixed neuron or relay neuron is the link between sensory neuron and motor neuron. So they are present inside the brain or in a spinal cord to make a connection between sensory neuron and motor neuron. How the nerve impulses are transmitted in neuron. Nerve impulses are transmitted in the form of mild electric current. How it is produced? See here, first of all, the receptor organ, that means sense organ, receive the stimuli, that is change in environment. This stimuli is received by the dendrites. Now, in dendrites, there is some chemical changes occur. These chemicals changed into mild electric current. Now, this electric current is transmitted from dendrites to the dendron, and from dendron, this electrical impulses comes in cell body or cytone, and cytone transmitted this electrical impulses to the axon. Now, this axon is divided into two terminal branches, and these terminal branches also divides into fine branches, which ends into synaptic node. So, from cell body cytone, the nerve impulses in the form of electrical impulses comes in axon. From axon, comes in terminal branches. From terminal branches, it comes in synaptic node or synapse. In synaptic node, it also again changes into chemical, and the terminal branches, fine branches of terminal branches of one neuron is attached to the dendrites of other neuron. That means here at synaptic node, the chemical impulses are transmitted to the one synapse to the other synapse, that is from terminal branches of axon to the dendrites of other neuron. When the dendrites of other neuron receive this chemical, it again changes into electrical impulses and the process goes on. If the neurons are intermediary neuron, then the terminal branches of one neuron is attached with the dendrites of other neuron, and nerve impulses goes from one neuron to other neuron. If the neuron is last neuron, that is terminal neuron, the terminal branches ends into muscles. That means it receives the order of brain and spinal cord. Muscles receive the spinal order of brain and spinal cords and works accordingly. See once again the functioning of neuron. The stimuli, that is change in environment, received from sense organ by sensory neuron with the help of dendrites, and this dendrites changes the stimuli in the form of chemicals. Now this chemical changes into mild electric current. This electrical impulses comes from dendrites to dendron and from dendron to cytone. And cytone transmit this electrical impulses to the axon, and from axon it goes into terminal branches and synapse of terminal branches, where the electrical impulses again changes into chemical, and this chemical is diffuses to the dendrites of other neurons. In this way, nerve impulses transmitted from one neuron to other neuron.